Hey, so you want to know how Kangen Water distributors get traffic and make sales in this opportunity? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to let you know exactly how Kangen Water distributors get traffic and make sales and be able to follow up with the people that actually have an interest in getting healthy and buying a water ionizer, so this way you can make more high ticket sales and be able to grow your opportunity, right? So let's get into it right now. So basically, here's what the water ionizers are, and they start at $2,700 and they go up from there, right? So you're selling a high ticket product, right? And it's in network marketing. So this means you have to get other distributors that will build and grow with you, and they have to be good at sales. So how are you going to do that, right? So you're going to use a system and put the system together and be able to use the system for your team. So it's going to create team duplication, and it's going to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So you want to find those people that are already looking for the system, and you could pretty much create content, and you're going to create content and you're going to send them to a capture page, and they're going to go through a sales funnel. So it's going to look something like this. This is the page that you're going to see right below this video. You're going to see this page. Now, when they come to this page, it could say whatever you want it to say. It could talk about water, and then when they put their name and email in, they go to a sales page that does all of the telling for you. And so you don't really have to sell them on anything, right? When you create the content, they find the content, they go below your video, they opt in, put their name and email in. Now they're on your email list and they see the sales video. When they see the sales video, they have the option to buy from there. And even if they don't buy, they are on your email list, which means they get a series of emails from you talking about how important it is to get healthy and have healthy water, and to be able to live longer, and to be able to have all the perks that the Kangen water system has, right? So, it's a very good system, very good product. I actually work with plenty of people in the opportunity to build and grow the opportunity, right? So they're all using systems. The top producers create their own systems, they create their own pages, then they have the sales video on the inside, but they might have a bridge page in the middle which has a video of them, and it tells about their own story, right? Because a lot of you that are watching this video right now may have some personal results from this water and how it has helped your life. I know a lot of people who are saying how these products have actually helped their life, right? So you can put that on a bridge page video that's connected to this capture page. So when they go through the capture page, they see you and they get an idea of who you are and how it has helped you. That's always going to be best, right? Especially when you're using social media to get leads, right? Then they go to the sales page and they have the option to buy. And even if they don't buy, they're still getting emails from you. And you could also have your video as a bridge page in there. So once they put their name and email in, then they have the option to watch your video, right? So they could watch your video and then they could book a call with you. And then what I would do is I would book a call. And, if you're using the same builder that I'm using, I could help you to be able to set all this up. And you actually get a calendar widget for booking appointments as a consultant in here. So you can set up your calendar, and you don't need Calendly. You don't need any kind of outside thing. And I can actually get you Zoom, an enterprise account, for about $13 a month. And enterprise accounts hold up to 1,000 people on a Zoom call. So those are the things that you would probably use when people come through your funnel. Because if you're selling something that is high ticket, like anywhere from like $500 and up to thousands of dollars, you probably want to get somebody on a Zoom call and tell them about how important it is to get healthy, and how the water can actually help them to make their body better, to get them in better health, to be able to make sure that they don't have toxins in their body when they drink the water, right? The water is actually going to help them get healthier, and they need to understand why they're actually getting the machine. And it's fine to send them to a website, but you want to be building your email list. When you build your email list, that's the only asset that you actually own. And you could follow up with them that way, right? So I would definitely do that and be able to grow your email list that way so you can follow up with them. And I can help you with that. My web guy has some really cool pages in here as well. So if you go down here and you go to add new page, add new step, add a page, my web guy actually created these templates. You could take them and you could edit them for anything that you're doing. And here's a booking widget for your calendar. So as a consultant, as somebody who's talking to somebody on Zoom calls, you may want to use that as well. And there's plenty of other templates in here that you can actually use, right? So we have the tools, and this also comes with email marketing with this. So we have an email system right here. And this is really cool because this system gets you very high open rates with your email. So it's pay as you go. There's no monthly fees with this. This has a email spam checker. So it's going to check your emails to make sure you get high deliverability and you have no spam words in your emails. See if there's an issue in here. It's going to tell you that there's an issue like right here. And then it's going to tell you what the issue is. And then it would normally give you the option to fix whatever the issue is. And you could fix it with a click of a button, right? But it tells you that stuff. I don't really have an email written right here, but I was just giving you an example. And you see my open rates right here, 17% open rate, 17% open rate, 25% open rate, 14% open rate, 20% open rate, 15%, 16% open rate, 10% open rate, 17% open rate, and 18% open rate. And down here is 15% open rate. So it's very high as far as the open rates go. And, you can definitely get these kind of results when you're doing email marketing. And if you want to actually get your hands on this system, it's a whole system that you would use to actually get results. So you're going to want to go to the second link below this video, put your name and email in. And when you put your name and email in, it's going to give you more information about the system. Now, when you get the funnel builder tool and you get the emailer, you also get a daily routine person development app that you can actually use every single day to be able to make more sales. It will allow you to stay on track with your marketing, allow you to have a routine to where you're getting more distributors in and be able to accomplish anything you want to do. And in there, you could journal and do everything like that, right? So you get all that stuff. And we also have a Facebook tool that will allow you to load your Facebook friends, and it will send them out messages and it will ask them if they're open to looking at the opportunity. And then if they say yes, you just ask them for their best email. If they say no, you say, okay, well, it's all good. I just wanted to see if you're open to looking at something that can help you to build your business. And if not, it's all good, right? So you just keep it moving, right? And this way, you'll be able to follow up with your Facebook friends and generate leads from Facebook. And most times, if you're a lot like me, you don't have tons of time to be able to follow up with all your Facebook friends. So this tool will allow you to do that. It loads on your Chrome browser and you get it with this, and then it will send messages out, right? And when that happens and you're engaging on Facebook, so it's going to show your content to more of your Facebook friends, right? So you're going to get more engagement that way, right? So you're going to come to this page right here. You're going to click on the second link below this video. You're going to put your information in, and then you'll get more information about how to actually use the system and everything like that. And you can use it to build and grow any kind of business you want. We go live over the shoulder Monday through Friday. We show you how to write emails that serve and sell. We show you how to create video content, how to rank that video content, what kind of equipment to use. We show you all that stuff. We show you how to connect with people on social media so you can have conversations with people and know how to actually talk to them the right way. So this way you can get people onto your calendar and be able to have more calls with them, right? So, click on the second link below this video. And, if you haven't already gotten into my Facebook group, click below and get into my free Facebook group. It's going to be below this video. I have my traffic store below this video as well. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. I will answer every question that somebody leaves. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.